Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see how we can set up the SharePoint Framework Development environment and also how to create the SPFX webpart in just 3 steps. So in the first steps, you have to install the Node.js. In the second step, you have to install the Visual Studio Code, and the final step is to create the SPFX webpart. So let's dive into it. So in the Chrome browser, open a new tab and then type Node.js download. And you have to click the first link which is available here. So I'm clicking the first link, and then on the Node.js platform, as you can see, package manager and pre-built installers. So just straightly click on the pre-built installer, and then you can see there are so many options which are available to download. So just select the latest versions, that is 20 or 18. Don't go for the current versions because you may face some of the warning messages or the errors while creating the SPFX web patch. So just go for the version 18. So I am going with the version 18, and the Node.js bit is 64 bits or 84 bits. You just select the 64 bits and then click on download Node.js. So as you can see, I have already downloaded the Node.js earlier. So I'm canceling the one which I've downloaded just now. So I'll double click on the downloaded file. So now we are about to install the Node.js. So just clicking the next button, and wherever the checkbox is available, just click the checkboxes and then click next. Then you will get a pop-up to finish button. So once you download and install the Node.js, let's go and install the Visual Studio Code quickly. So just type Visual Studio VS Code download on the Chrome browser. So you will be able to see the first link to download the Visual Studio Code. So on the right hand corner of the site, you'll be able to see the download button. Just click on the download button. You'll be downloading the Visual Studio Code. So once after that, you have to just double click on that downloaded file. So you will be able to install the Visual Studio Code. So once you install the Node.js, you will get the pop-up that is from the Windows partial. So don't need to worry about that because while installing the Node.js, we have checked for downloading all the necessary um, setups. So that is the reason we are getting this pop-up. So just click on enter wherever it is asked. So you so this will take a very long time. Have some patience. Wait for all the necessary installation. So after installing all the necessary libraries and the packages, open the Windows PowerShell again, and then type node space version. You'll be able to see which version you have installed, and also check the npm version. So you can see npm version is done and the node version is 18, and you have to run some of the commands which are actually necessary for developing the SPFX web part. So some of the commands are npm install gulp-cli global. So here npm install gulp-cli. So to make the selection available globally. So I just click enter. So I have already installed the gulp. That is the reason I'm getting this error. But if you are installing for the first time, then this will install. And the second command that you need to install is the human generator. So click on enter. So this will help the SharePoint SPFX to generate the SPFX selections in the project structure. The third command that you need to use is this one npm install Microsoft generator hyphen SharePoint. So this is the human generator which helps you to quickly create SharePoint files and solutions. So that is the reason we need to install this Microsoft generator. Yes, as we can see, this the installation is done. Now we can close the Windows partial. So now it's time to create the SPFX web app. So quickly just go to the command prompt. I'm clicking on the command prompt. So here you have to, so before going to the command prompt, you have to create a folder. So here, this is the concept. In order to create the SPFX web app, first you have to create the folder for that. So I will create a folder. So on the key directory, I'm creating a folder called SPFX. Or else you can directly create from the command prompt as well, so like by typing empty space the folder name. But I'll create it in the folder directly. I'll go to the E directory and then I'll go to the SPFX folder that I've created. Now I'm going to have to type Microsoft slash SharePoint command in order to create the SPFX web app. So this will take some time to create the SPFX web app. Yes, as you can see, it is asking us to give us the SPFX solution name. For now, I'll just give it as a test name. So it is a Webpart. And hello world Webpart name is fine with me. I will go with no framework for now. So I'll just in the later video I'll also explain how we can create the React Webpart using the React as well. For now, I'll go with no framework. It is running, as you can see, running. So now, as you can see, SPFX webpack creation is done. So you have to type code space dot and then click enter so that this webpack will be able to open it in the Visual Studio. So it is opening the Visual Studio Code. Yes, as you can see here, this is our solution. This is a webpack that we have created just now. Hello world webpack. So quickly we can just see this in the browser as well. Just let's go and quickly type Gulp Serve. It will serve the web part in the browser. Yes, it's updating now. Yes, as you can see, it opened the web part in the. I'll just take this because I have already opened my SharePoint site here. So this is the site. So here I'll just add the slash link slash workbench today's page so that I can access the local workbench. Yes, as you can see here, our hello world SPFX webpage is ready. You can see now. I'll just click on yes. We are successfully completed creating the SPFX webpage. I hope this video will help you to set up the SPFX environment and also create SPFX webpage in a easy way. Thanks for watching.